Hello and welcome back to our ES6 intro on freeCodeCamp. This is handle a rejected promise with catch. Catch is the method used when your promise has been rejected. It's executed immediately after a promise's reject method is called. Here's the syntax. My promise.catch takes an error and do something with the error. Error is the argument passed into the reject method. Note, the then and catch methods can be chained to the promise declaration if you choose. Add the catch method to your promise. Use error as the parameter of its callback function and log error to the console. Okay, so if we go out, we see our then is there and that we did last lesson. We could actually go under there, paste this, and it's different because instead of then, we say catch. Instead of result, we're doing error, and then we're logging our error. So now that should be it for this one, but let's run test. We did pass, and we are done with ES6, but let's just go over this last one. It's just building off of what we learned in the last lesson. If our promise resolves successfully, we're doing this dot then. If for some reason it comes back false, then we want to catch that error and then do something with it. So as long as you guys are understanding that, I would go back through the ES6 intro and just go through them all once again to really make sure to embed these into your memory. But as long as you're getting these, you guys are getting ES6, and I'll catch you in the next course.